I like 6S, 3S, 4S, it don't matter. Whoa! Got that 4S Kraton out. Yeah, what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna run this thing. I'm gonna let y'all check out my little custom wheel job and bumper job. Put on some lights. I got, you can see that, got green in the front with a green Arrma symbol right there. And I got yellow in the back. Let y'all check that out. Yeah, this car got a lot of extra features. You can tell Arrma is doing something different with these cars. Cause this thing got, in the battery tray, it got a holder for the 4S tall batteries and for the 2S batteries. Yo, it look tight with them. Oh, it is 100%. I think I gotta calibrate this. It should be a little faster. Oh, we had a flip on this weak feet though. I think I better tighten up that suspension. But they filled that hole in. There was a little hole right here that used to tear my cars up. This thing a little ripper though. It's not that bit much smaller than the It's not that much smaller than the 6S. I'm gonna show you a size comparison in a minute because I got both of them. Car got good handling, nice and stable. Hey, too much gravel and dirt. And the battery died. That's why this thing was creeping. The battery was going on. Let me put another battery in here and get right back to the badge. Change the batteries out. Let's see what she can do now. I don't think I had it calibrated right because I did recalibrate it. Thing I like about the Kraton lineup, because they got stages of Kraton now. They brought the 4S back out. So you can go start off with a 4S, upgrade to a 6, and then the 8. I wonder if they're ever going to make a 4S EXB, even though I think that's kind of pointless. it can make it a little more sturdier, because I know this had problems. Whoa. Wow. The heck was that? It was decent though. I know I got all kinds of dirt on my wing now. And this thing is nice and stable though. Nothing is knocking it off its wheels really. And this is an uneven little ground here. That's why I like it up here. This ground is so uneven for bashing. Like, you can test your shocks, test how stable it is. Going downhill is more of a test. Yo. This thing is a beast. Thumbs up, Arrma. I like 6S, 3S, 4S, it don't matter. As long as it ain't brushed. Thought that was gonna turn out a little better than that. Try it again. Wow. Whoa. Let me see if I caught that. That was crazy. Nice and dirty now. This thing is pure monster. This thing is a beast. tires are pretty good though. It's only 4S, but you think the tires would fetch you all that. See the size difference? You got the 4S, the 6S a little bigger, and the 8S is way bigger. I'm gonna do a running video for all three of these though, back to back. Which one would you prefer, the 4S, 6S, or the 8S? I think the 4S is perfect. It's perfect. I think this is more durable than the rest of them because it's so light. It's only 4S. But it's still rip on 4S. These two is just monsters, like uncontrollable beasts. This one is more tame. That's the thing. That's the 4S is tame, fast, tame. Still got the still just as good as the big boys, just more tamer and smaller. This would be crazy on 6S though. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Hit that like, subscribe, notification, and I'm out.